Meaning of hothouse.
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 Hothouse. The term hothouse can have a few different meanings depending on the context. However, it generally refers to a warm, humid environment that is artificially created to promote plant growth, especially for delicate or sensitive plants. This can be achieved through methods such as heating, lighting, and controlling humidity levels. Hothouses are commonly used for growing produce, such as fruits and vegetables, throughout the year, regardless of the outside weather conditions. These structures can be found in both commercial and home settings and allow for the cultivation of plants that wouldn't normally thrive in the local climate.